In this video, I'll be sharing my drive and my story as a science and engineering educator. My goal of creating this video is to share with you guys my story on how I built my channel, which is Excellent Link Academy. So, and also one of my goals also is to build a global teacher community, so where we can get in touch with each other. So, as a content creator, as a science and engineering content creator, whatever content you are doing, but as a teacher, I'll be saying some of my experience that I have undergo through this journey, right? So when I started teaching, I did not have money, I did not have big tool, but I had one thing, a passion to teach science and engineering to students like me. Today, through YouTube and Excellent Link Academy, I have reached thousands of students across the world, but the journey isn't easy, right? So it took me time, stress, a moment of depression, and I had to just keep going, right? I had to just keep going. Who am I? For the first time, if you are seeing me here, my name is ABUBAKAR. I'm the founder and the main tutor of Excellent Link Academy. I am a science and engineering educator. I teach mathematics, physics, chemistry, and engineering courses. I also prepare students for JAMB, WAEC, and international exams, right? So, one of my goals, as I said earlier, is to ensure that we build a global teacher community, right? In our daily world, right? So if you're a teacher, do want to subscribe to this channel. Also leave your experience in the comment section below of this video, right? So my first aspect I'm trying to discuss is the struggle I faced while being on YouTube. This is first, I never knew I would do YouTube videos, right? I never knew I will come to the camera and then teach students globally, worldwide. I never knew. Currently, my video is being watched over the world. Aside being a Nigerian, my video is being watched United States, Kenya. I can't mention all, right? So my video is being watched globally, and I receive message from different countries basically every day of my life. I receive messages from different countries. Thank you, sir. We love the video and etc. But the journey it hasn't been easy for me, right? So my first you say like my first challenges was the knowledge. I never had the knowledge. Like I have passion to teach from start, but I don't have the knowledge. So you have passion to teach. What are you teaching? There's no knowledge. So the first thing I had was like, how could I gather all this knowledge, right? So imagine teaching basically mostly all science courses. So you need to gather a lot of knowledge, right? So I had to gather several knowledge on how this can help me or on how this can work for me, right? So I was shy at the first place because I grew up from nothing. So I'm trying to change my situation and I'm angry at my current situation. So I want to change the story. So it wasn't easy for me. So the very first day I started YouTube, I want to start teaching. If you see my camera, if you see my viewer address that day, you will laugh. So I never had equipment, no microphone, but I am passionate that I want to do something on YouTube. So my very first video, my very first second video, so the third video I did on YouTube was is till now, that video is one of the highest video on my channel. Like one of the popular video on my channel is that third video. So my first video didn't go viral just till now. Second video, but the third video I did that day, that very day, went global. I'm serious what I'm saying. The video has a lot of views on my channel. One of the highest video on my channel currently is that video. So you just have to start, right? And people always doubt you. So I have doubts with me. My mom was like, what are you doing? Sitting down doing videos, you're not working. How do you feed yourself? But I just had to, keep uploading and change people's life globally, right? So this video, I just want to start something like this. Just want to let people know that people that are doing teaching content also exist, and they also have challenges they are facing, right? I have challenges I'm facing too, but in this video, I'll just be telling you little bit of the experience I've undergo why on this channel on this YouTube. Very first thing is that you need to have a lot of skills at your hand, like editing skills, how to edit your videos after shooting, and how to shoot the video in a proper way, right? So that's these are skills that I learned for many years on my own, right? I do the design, I do the editing, I do the uploading, I do everything on me. So you need to learn a lot, right? I've spent time learning a lot of stuff, right? A lot of stuff. So if you're a student or a teacher, I want to share a story in the comment section and love to connect with you guys. So I will be launching a WhatsApp channel or a WhatsApp group, right? I've not concluded yet. So in that WhatsApp group, if you're a teacher or a student trying to, should come together as one, I'll leave the link to the WhatsApp group in the comment section. Or if you don't see the link there, you can message me through my WhatsApp number, right? So one of my purpose of doing this video is my drive and my story on how I started. So it hasn't been easy and we had to just keep pushing and etc. So in the next video, I will be trying to, um, I'll be trying to share this, my real story, right? My real story, how I started, right? But I'm just passionate of doing something like this. I just want to just sit down and say something to the camera. I always want to do something, right? So if I'm just teaching alone, I feel insatisfied. Like I just want to sit down the camera and say something to the world and then make a difference globally. So currently I have a financial situation currently, but I know people too outside there have it too. Those that do content to have it too. So don't feel lonely. We are all there together, right? So I just want to encourage you guys to just keep going, never give up, and then you will succeed with time. I have not succeeded yet, but I just as I'm growing, I want to just do this along, right? So this will be a video series on my journey on how I started this channel. So I've benefited a lot of people. I've taught a lot of people for free, a lot of people for free, right? But how will I get paid? That's the question. So I keep having um, issues every day, right? But we thank God for the knowledge and we thank God for us being outside there making a difference, right? So, and I pray that with time, brands will come and then, have deals with us, and then, from there we can build up. So, if you like this my video, do well to like this video, leave a comment, share your experience on how this teaching of a thing looks like for you in the comment section. And if you'd like to join our community, you can do well to message me through my WhatsApp number, or I'll leave a link to the WhatsApp community, WhatsApp group in the video description. See you guys in our next video. In my next video, I will show you the real process of how it was for me, right? How I started, criticism, right? Data to upload videos, how I balance my feeding money with everything, the side also I'm doing, at the same time doing my YouTube. All the stories will be published out to you guys in our next video. If you're interested in these stories, do want to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon, and don't forget to leave a comment on your story or experience you have undergo through this journey on YouTube as a teacher or a science, perhaps an science educator or an engineering educator, or a teacher, you teach math, physics, or chemistry, whatever topic you're teaching online. Let us know your experience in this video. See you in our next video. How like this thing? Okay. Um, man, I don't have to do this kind of content video, like sitting down, talking to the camera and stuff like this. Eh? I'm not too. I don't have a skill. Like I'm not too. I'm just like that. I don't need. Eh? I don't try. This is the way I do this teaching. The way I deliver. The way I deliver this one is not. I'm not satisfied, but it starts now.